Hi fams, yeah, welcome back to the Tech. In this new video, I'm going to be showing you how you can auto update your WordPress installation as well as your themes and plugin. Now, the first thing is to log into your WordPress website, and we're going to take it one after the other, starting with the entire WordPress installation. Alright, so once you are logged into the dashboard of your WordPress website, the next thing is to click on updates, and from update, if you look at the details here, it says this site is automatically kept to update with maintenance and security releases of WordPress only. So you can go ahead to activate the automatic update by clicking on this option right here. Alright, so that way we have enabled an automatic update for all future releases of WordPress on our site. So the next thing is to look at how to do the same for our plugins as well as the WordPress themes on the site. So we'll start with the plugins, and if you hover on plugins right here and you click on install plugins. Alright, so from here you'd see a rundown of all the plugins that is installed on your WordPress website. So what you'd want to do is to go ahead and click on plugin to select all, and once all the plugins have been selected, you'd want to click on this bulk actions right here and select update and click on apply. Alright, so that way we have activated automatic updates for all plugins that is installed on our WordPress website. So the next thing we are going to do is to replicate the same for themes, and to do that we hover on appearance and then click on themes, click on leave. Alright, so from here you'd want to click on your theme, and once you click on it, you see this nifty option that says enable auto updates. Just go ahead and click on that. Alright, so that way every time there's an update for the Hello theme on the WordPress repository, it gets updated as well on our website without having to do that manually. So you can close that and go to the other theme to do the same. Click on enable auto updates. So guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled automatic updates on our entire WordPress installation as well as our themes and plugin. So that's how to go about it. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.